Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am joined with two very special guests. So introduce yourselves, ladies.
Hello, my name is Jordan. I'm originally from Texas. I actually met Bree when she came to my class, in my horticulture class. She was my guest lecturer, and now I'm working for her as a social media intern.
Woohoo!
I'm Savannah, you guys know me. I'm studying environmental science in Ohio, but I love North Carolina, that's where I'm from. So I'm back to work for Bree for a little bit this week. I'm hyped.
I mean, I'm the hype one because look at me, having the next generation of brilliant people to help.
Love it.
And we are busy getting prepared for Saturday's free, no registration, rain or shine, spring open garden and native plant sale. Y'all, the forecast is looking really good.
I'm excited.
So that's going to be awesome. And we are actually busy sort of reorganizing the trays based off of sun, shade, wet, dry, and animal resistant so that your shopping experience will be super easy. We've got these landscape plugs, $5 a piece, 6 for $20, or mix and match a tray of 32 for $100. That is your best bet. There's I think 85 different types of plants. So you can reference my website, the link is in the description, so that you can see all the plant names and the descriptions so that when you get here you aren't overwhelmed. And we have one other super special sale to bring to you. Soil Cube, all the big yellow bags, so the 1 cubic yard bags that get delivered for Mother's Day are on sale, $20 off. If you add my code BreeGrows23, you'll get an extra $10. So $30 off every big yellow bag that you order between now and Sunday. And you know that all the gardeners in your lives want to be growing in that. So it is black magic. It's the most amazing compost ever created.
Love that.
So check the description. I've got all this information in there. You just click the link and we make it easy. And we're super excited to welcome you this weekend.
Woo!
Remember, Saturday from noon to 4 p.m. I would say get here at noon if you really want to have the best selection of plants. All right, everybody, we are wishing you the best. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.